ShapeQuest is a 2D platformer game featuring a minimalistic and accessible design. It is designed from the ground up to supplement exposure therapy for social anxiety and serve as a research tool for social rejection moments, which is an indicator for social anxiety. It is mainly played by two players in a cooperative fashion. The players assume the roles of two heroes that are in a journey to rescue their friends. They do so by solving puzzles in each level. The puzzles are designed so that both players are required to assist each other. By playing together and only having limited means of communication, the players form a bond and are dependent on each other. However, through carefully designed events during the game, the players are exposed to rejection from the other player, which is the main objective of rejection exposure therapy. After each rejection, there is a critical reflection moment, training the player to cope with rejection more effectively.
Social anxiety is one of the most common mental health disorders, affecting almost 7% of the American population. Since the most effective treatment is cognitive behavioral therapy, we designed this game as a supplement to this treatment. The game emphasizes the relationship between the two players by making them dependent on each other, since it requires both players to cooperate in order to progress. Throughout the game, players have very limited and ambiguous communication methods, which results in each person having their own interpretation of their interaction with their partner. This creates a bond between the two players and brings out an interesting dynamic in their relationship.
As rejection moments are strongest when they're interpreted as being the result of another person's actions, the rejection moments in the game are designed to always feel to be initiated by the other person, instead of being a scripted game mechanic. This is the moment where we expect behavioral change to happen. The Radboud University in Nijmegen in the Netherlands is already planning a pilot study to validate the rejection moment mechanic that we designed. This will be conducted in May of 2016, with further trials planned after the summer if proven successful.
We already have a working prototype that is adequate for running a pilot study. If the pilot study renders our design successful and validates our rejection mechanic, we aim to apply for research grants in order to continue the development of the game to produce a complete version. Afterwards, we aim to distribute the game to psychologists around the globe as a supplementary tool to exposure therapy, charging them per license.